Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to unmute accounts on Twitter app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting an Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime trial subscription link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to unmute accounts on Twitter app. We'll start by opening up your Twitter app. Once you open up your Twitter app, you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Look on the upper left-hand corner where you're gonna see the three bars, the three lines, all up on top, on left-hand corner, and tap there. Look on the upper left-hand corner where you're gonna see the three bars right there. Tap there. When you tap there, you're gonna arrive here on this main screen right here. Look for it say settings and privacy. Settings and privacy. Tap there. When you tap there, you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Look for it says notifications. As you guys can see right there, notifications. So tap there on notifications. Then you're gonna arrive here. Make sure that you go where it says muted. Make sure they tap where it says muted. So tap there. Then tap where it says muted accounts right there. As you guys can see, the two accounts. So tap there, muted accounts. I mean, it depends for you how many accounts you have muted. So then you're gonna show the number. For me, I've muted only two. That's why I show two right there. So since it's muted right there, make sure that you tap here where you show like the speaker with a cancel sign right there. So make sure you tap there and tap all down here where it says unmute, as you guys can see right there. So I'm gonna just undo right there. So make sure that you tap here, tap on the red little speaker with the arrows cancel. So tap there, then it's gonna bring you right here. Then make sure that you look all on the bottom where it says unmute right there, where it says unmute. So tap there, then they're gonna say the website has been unmuted, and that's how you unmute accounts on Twitter app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find in my video description. And thank you for watching.